Hey y'all, I'm Jamie Deen. I'm in Mama's Kitchen. I'm bringing you delicious, easy recipes again today. We're doing barbecue chicken. My brother and I shot a television show called Road Taster. We traveled all over the country and we put together a cookbook that was inspired by all the different flavors that we were able to taste. From Tennessee, we took away barbecue. Fantastic barbecue in Tennessee, and every good barbecue starts with a sauce. So if you can't get the Deen Brothers barbecue sauce, which is the absolute best barbecue sauce in the world, you can start here next, okay? Super simple. A traditional Southern sauce is gonna have ketchup, and it's gonna have brown sugar, and we've got our dry mustard, our paprika, some liquid smoke, Worcestershire, and orange juice is a great ingredient to barbecue sauces. Now, some sauces are more mustard based, which I love. Deen Brothers has got a mustard based sauce too, but if you're talking about traditional Southern, it's gonna be brown sugar and ketchup. So I've got brown sugar and ketchup. They're going together. I mean, it's been a Monday, y'all, which is not good because today's Thursday. We've got our paprika. No, this is our cayenne pepper. A little bit of heat. Dry mustard. It's not gonna make it a mustard sauce, but that mustard, that little bit of tang, I really like a lot. Liquid smoke. So we're doing this in the oven inside, and just a tiny little bit, 1/4 of a teaspoon of liquid smoke will give you the flavor that the grill gives you outside. Worcestershire sauce, which I love so much. It's such a good flavor, and it's perfect layer for our barbecue sauce. And then this is what I really like, the orange juice, which gives it citrus and it brightens it up a little bit, gives it a little bit of tang. We're going 2 tablespoons of orange juice here. Now let's whip this up. Now my mom used to do a sauce where she would cook this down and then we would put it onto our chicken later. But what I like about this recipe is that I don't have to do anything ahead of time with this sauce other than whip it up, because we're gonna cook this in the oven on our chicken. We're using an 8-way chicken. Y'all been to the store lately? You might think your chicken's been mislabeled filet mignon. I saw a fryer chicken, one whole chicken in the grocery store the other day, and it was $12. And the fryer chickens used to be the ones that you could afford to eat no matter what. So all the prices are going higher, but chicken is always gonna be a good resource for y'all because it stays relatively affordable and everybody likes it. I'm gonna hold back 1/3 of this sauce. I'm just gonna put it in our kitchen container, our ketchup container. And now, let's take this chicken and we're gonna run it through our sauce. I've got an 8-way here, 2 breasts, 2 wings, 2 thighs, and 2 legs. I'm just gonna turn it all to get it nice and coated. And then the 1/3 of the sauce that we saved, I'm gonna brush that on right towards the end. Now, if y'all wanna do this outside, you can. It's certainly grilling season. It is fire hot down here. And if you're doing this for dinner, you might not have time to man your grill. So you've got a good barbecue chicken that we can do in our oven. I'm gonna lay these out. These are gonna go into the oven for about 45 minutes. You know, I want this to be 165. So I'm definitely gonna check the temperature before I pull them out. But I'm gonna start with 30 minutes. We're gonna go in there about probably 350, 375. You've got oven baked barbecue chicken, y'all. And if you want to, surround all this with potatoes and cook it at the same time. We'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, I've been in the oven for about 20 minutes. My temperature's doing good. The last bit of sauce that I had reserved, I'm gonna cover this chicken with it, and we're going back into the oven for maybe 10 minutes. Keep an eye on your temperature. 165 is the safe temperature for us to eat. This smells delicious, and it's gonna be delicious. All right, see you in 10 minutes. Inside barbecue chicken, y'all. Really, really easy and delicious. If it's raining one day or too hot or too cold outside, now you know you can have barbecue chicken inside. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Chicken. We'll see y'all around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.